Hello there. Now I will see you where I am, and I am on Pixel tablet, and I will see you that all is updated. Latest system updates are installed. Google Play apps are updated, and even the apps are updated. Now I will search on Google Play Store the Trump Suite game that has been updated the latest night. I will install it. Let's see the changes. First of all, with the white M, the bug that the content of the text box was not shown when selected has been resolved. And I change it to Giulio. And this is not multiline. This is not multiline, and I let it number one. Time response. If I put an accept only input in numbers. If I put a negative value, I obtain an error. If I put a negative value, I obtain an error. So I will put 10. Now label is a list box and is managed. The decks now are full. I will use Gatti. And those are complementary because alert when the alert ends show a pop-up that show that the deck is ended. And the card designated the Trump suite can have a weight shows that says that that card of the deck can be allowed. So can be started the last mini game for grab it. Now I click on save, and as you can see, the cards changed. Now, translator Giulio Sorrentino. Let's try to play because this is still Numerone and this is still Numerone. There's one cycle of game to get the information will be updated because Mago has refresh but does not works with direction that I use. And the direction is can is make um, make it through the changing of page automatically. So without direction, clicking the save button will not show the home page, but should show a message return to the main page to see the changes. So I will not change it. Now let's close, change them from light to dark, and change language from Italian, for example, to Spanish. and it download the new translation. So reopen it, and as you can see, it's fully translated in Spanish. And information, translator, Google Translator, revisor Hilde. So if you translate it and send the translation to me, you will obtain the credit if a translation has a value. Now the Gatti deck is difficult, so I'd say Siciliano, and I will change time response to 1. Now let's try to play, and I have made a mistake. It's not conscious. Now the deck is ended, so and he is already won, but the card is 3 and is allowed. So I expect that him took from getting it. Okay, the deck was not ended. This game is gone. Let's try again. And as you can see, he took only card with uh, uh, weight minor. So I am still in advantage. And I won one game, but with 2 games, I lost for 37 points. Let's um, let's share it on Google, and as you can see now, here are two. So the app as and as the place enumerated, and there are a large amount of plays that can be done for session, and it says even the deck and even the platform. So let's post, and a new game can be started. As you can see, Google Translator and Revisor Hilde. So if you give me your translation and the translation have a value, I will insert it in the in the app and you obtain the credit. That's all. Goodbye. So, andate su internet a scaricare il software.